Okay, dear children, this is class 8. I have given you the homework, choose chapter 3, quadrilaterals. I hope that all of you remember the properties of quadrilaterals and all. So first question is based on that only. कि two angles of a quadrilateral are 85, 89 degree and 113 degree. If the other two angles are equal, find the equal angles. So here you have to use the property of quadrilateral where four angles are there and the sum of four angles is 360 degree. Now we are discussing first about the question. Question number 2. Angles of a quadrilateral are 4x degree, 5 in bracket x plus 2 whole degree bracket 7x minus 20 bracket close whole degree and 6 bracket x plus 3 whole degree. Now you have to find the value of x and the second is each angle of quadrilateral. As you know that four angles are there and what is the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral? Yes, you know it. Quickly say what is it? This is 360 degree. So obviously you have to use this property. Now question number 3rd. In parallelogram PQRS. PQRS. So imagine the figure first in your mind and angle Q equals to 4x minus 5 degree and angle S equals to 3x plus 10 degree. So calculate angle Q and angle R. Here you can see very easily when you will draw the diagram, but don't do mistake over there. Don't make PQSR. You have to make PQRS only. Then only your answer will be correct. So here angle Q and angle R, either it is adjacent or opposite, you have to find out. This is the property of parallelogram that adjacent angle sum should be 180 degree. Now question number 4th. In a square PQRS, so immediately the figure should be in your mind PQRS square. So first part is if PQ equals to 3x minus 7 and QR equals to x plus 3, then you have to find the PS. So when you will make the figure, later on I will explain you, then easily you can find out. Then if PR equals to 5x and QS equals to 9x minus 8, find QS. So we will solve it next in next video. Question number 5. ABCD is a rectangle if angle BPC equals to 124. Only this much is given. Now you have to calculate BAP, then ADP. Let's see how we will calculate. चलिए चलते हैं सेकेंड वीडियो की तरफ. Thank you. Okay, dear children. So when we are talking about the first question, if you will see there, so here it is given find other two angles they are equal. So x and x are equal and 113 angle A and B is 89 degree. So when you have to start the solving, so question number 1 is given that angle C equals to angle D. C equals to angle D. It is given. So by angle sum property what will happen? X plus 89 degree plus 113 degree equals to 360 degree. This is the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral. So when you will solve it, 2x plus 89 plus 113 is how much? You have to do it fast. And then 2x equals to 360 minus 202. So that is equal to, what is the answer? 158 degree. Now this is 2x equals to 158. So x equals to 79 degree each. Now you just check it out. 79 plus 79 plus 89 plus 113 is 360 degree or not. You can solve it. If you will solve it, then you will get the answer. Right? So how can you solve it? You just see this. Okay. Now the second figure. Second figure is find x and all angles. All four angles are given. Already we have discussed in that. So 6x plus 3 degrees, 7x minus 20, 4x and 5x plus 2 degrees. These are four angles. है ना, ये नंबर में भी हो सकते हैं और अभी एल्जेब्रिक फॉर्म में है. Now how to do it? 6x plus 3 plus 7x minus 20 plus 5 bracket x plus 2 plus 4x. So all four angles you have to add it. Okay, that is equal to 360 degree, right? So when you will solve x and x together and number together, you will get the answer So 18x plus 4x plus 28 minus 20 equals to 360 degree, and you can see the calculation and all and try to do by yourself. So 22x equals to 360 minus 8, that is 352. Now x equals to 352 by 22. So when you will cut it through table of 11, you are getting 16. Do you understand? So x is the number. Now you have to find out all four angles by yourself. So 6 into x plus 3 है, x की जगह आप लगाओ 16. So 16 plus 3, 16 plus 3 is how much? 19. So 19 6 how much? Similarly 7 into 16, 16 7 ja how much? Subtract 20 from that. 4 into 16, you will get the third angle. 5 into 16 plus 2, x की जगह 16 plus 2, right? X की जगह 16 plus 2, 16 plus 2 is 18, so 18 5 is how much? That you have to find out. I hope that you understand. This 4 angles work I have given to you. Now you have to solve it. Now see the third question, it is given angle S and angle R. Angle Q. That's why I told you that you have to imagine the figure PQRS. Correctly, if you will draw, then you can say that opposite angles are equal. So hence you can write 3x plus 10 equals to 4x minus 5. So 3x minus 4x equals to minus 5 minus 10. Plus 10 will be changed into minus 10. So minus x equals to minus 15. So x equals to 15. Therefore, angle Q also you have to find out. So angle Q is what? 4x minus 5. In place of x you will write 15. 15 4 is 60. 60 minus 5 is 55. Similarly, adjacent angle is, you have to find out the angle R. The angle R is what? This is this and this. This is adjacent angle. See, this angle and this angle. This is adjacent angle. So 4 find out the angle R. So angle R equals to 55 plus angle R, that is equal to 180. So angle R equals to 180 minus 55, that is equal to 125. In a square, now this is the diagram. PQRS. Here one diagonal is 5x, other is 9x minus 8. It is already given, I think, in your book, right? So you have to understand now. So in a square, diagonals are equal. Agree? तो 5x equals to 9x minus 8. तो आप इसको equal कर सकते हो. So 9x minus 5x is 8. So 4x equals to 8. So x equals to 2. Now you have to find out, first find PS. PS. See, where is PS? PS is opposite side. So PS equals to QR, you can say. है ना? PS equals to QR. And what is the x here? X is 2. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So PS is 5. Let's see. Okay. Do you understand? So PS equals to QR. So that is equal to 2 plus 3. That is equal to 5. That you have to write. Okay. I have given the only hint. Now question number 2 is QS equals to 9x minus 8. So again here you have to put x equals to 2. So you are getting 10. Clear? So next question is question number 5. Here only 124 is given to you. Okay. This is rectangle. Rectangle, remember that all angles are 90 degree. So when you will solve it, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा tricky है. You have to take care of it. तो पहले एंगल 1 निकालते हैं. एंगल 1 equals to 180 minus 124. एंगल 1 equals to 180 minus 124. समझ में आ रहा है? This is linear pair. तो एंगल 1 is what? 56 degree. Right? Now if angle 1 is 56 degree, then angle 3 is also 56 degree. And angle जो opposite है आपका ऊपर, that is also 124. So this one is clear to you, vertically opposite angle. Now you have to use your brain. Angle 4 equals to angle 5 होगा क्यों? Because diagonals are equal and they are bisecting each other. So go through it. Diagonals are equal. This diagonal is equal. This is equal to this. है ना? They are equal to this. So if they are bisecting each other. So all diagonals, half of this diagonals are equal to each other. तो यहाँ पे आप बोल सकते हो ना कि this diagonal is equal to this. तो angle 4 equals to angle 5 हो सकता है. Yes, of course. So it is isosceles triangle. So angle 4 is also 62 and angle 5 is also 62. First you make the diagram, then try to understand. Next is angle BAP। क्या निकालना है? एंगल ADP। ADP कहाँ है फिगर? देखो ADP ऊपर, राइट, दिख रहा है आपको ADP। नाउ फॉर ADP, फॉर दिस ADP क्या करोगे आप? वही, बिकॉज इट इज़ 90 डिग्री, है ना। 5 आपने क्या निकाला अभी? एंगल 5 इज व्हाट? 56 ना। तो अगर ये 56 है तो ये भी 56 होगा। तो 90 में से 56 माइनस करोगे तो ये आ जाएगा। सो वेरी सिंपल। सो यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 90 माइनस एंगल 4, दैट इज इक्वल टू 90 माइनस 56। कुछ भी आप ले सकते हैं, एंगल 4 हुआ या एंगल 5, अल्टरनेटिव हुआ ना इंटीरियर। तो ADP में एंगल 5 ले लो, एंगल 5 दैट इज इक्वल टू 90 माइनस 56 डिग्री। तो आपका आंसर आ गया ADP। आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड।